Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study law after 10th grade. Your journey begins by excelling in your 11th and 12th standard examinations. It's crucial to select subjects that foster analytical thinking and strong communication, as these are foundational for legal studies. Start researching various law entrance examinations and their specific eligibility requirements well in advance. Seeking guidance from career counselors can also provide valuable insights and help you align your academic path with your aspirations in law. After completing your 12th grade, you have two primary paths for a law degree. The most common is a 5-year integrated program, such as a Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Laws, or a Bachelor of Business Administration and Bachelor of Laws. These programs allow direct entry after your higher secondary education. Another option is to first complete any 3-year bachelor's degree and then enroll in a 3-year Bachelor of Laws program. Always confirm that your chosen institution is approved by the Bar Council of India for valid legal practice. To secure admission into top law schools, you'll need to crack competitive entrance exams. Key national tests include the Common Law Admission Test, or CLAT, and the All India Law Entrance Test, or AILET. These exams typically assess your legal aptitude, logical reasoning, English language proficiency, and general knowledge. Consistent practice with past papers and regular mock tests are essential. Aim to dedicate at least 6 to 8 months to thorough preparation to maximize your chances of success. A law degree opens doors to a wide array of rewarding career paths. You could become a litigator, representing clients in court, or a corporate lawyer advising businesses. Other options include working as a legal advisor, a public prosecutor, or even pursuing a career in the judiciary. Specializations range from criminal and civil law to intellectual property and environmental law. Remember, continuous learning and professional development are crucial for advancing in your legal career and staying updated with evolving legal frameworks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.